Hello dear students, myself Shivlila Vibhute welcome you to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. So children, today I am going to teach you grammar lesson number 22 is, are, am with ing form of doing words. Children, last session we have learned about this. So just I will revise once more. Is, are, am with ing form of doing words. Now children, we have read these sentences, the use of am, are, is and again this are, okay. So I am sitting in the park, single person, we are sitting in the park, you are sitting in the park, they are sitting in the park, the girl is sitting in the park, he is sitting in the park, she is sitting in the park, Meena is sitting in the park. So we have learned about this and even we have completed the exercise related to this, children. So now, after this, we are going to the next page and next exercise. So all of you will open your grammar textbook, lesson number 22 is, are, am with ing form of doing words, page number 58. Exercise B. So now children, some words end in E. When we add ing, we drop the E. Add ing to the words given below and write them in the blanks. Children, some words end with E. Examples are given here. L-I-K-E. As all of you know, E. Yes, you remember? A-E-I-O-U. What are these? Yes, they are vowels. Yes, so E is a vowel, right? So ending with E. So you have to be careful. In any words ending with E, if you have to add ing form to such words, you have to drop out this E. Example, L-I-K-E, L-I-K-I-N-G. Can you find E here now? No. E you have to drop out or cut out, okay? In the same way, now we have this first one. L-O-V-E, the word is L-O-V-E, again ending with E, right? So here, we have to write, we have to add now ing form to it. So L-O-V-I-N-G, loving. L-O-V-I-N-G, loving. The second one. Now you can see here one more example. T-A-S-T-E, ending with again, yes, E, letter E. We have to add ing form to now this word. So after adding this ing, you have to remember that we have to drop out or cut E from that word. The letter E should not be there. T-A-S-T-I-N-G, tasting. So T-A-S-T-E, taste, and ing form is T-A-S-T-I-N-G, tasting. Now here second one, B-I-T-E, bite. Yes children, B, we have to add ing form B-I-T-I-N-G, biting. You have to write neatly in your textbook, children. Okay? Now ready? The third, C-A-R-E, care. C-A-R-E, care. ing form of this word will be, yes, all of you are right. You have to say and write C-A-R-I-N-G, caring. The fourth word, dance. D-A-N-C-E, dance. The ing form of this word? Yes. D-A-N-C-I-N-G. E will be dropped out. So dancing. D-A-N-C-I-N-G. Dancing. The fifth word, share. S-H-A-R-E. Share. The ing form of this word will be written as? Yes. S-H-A-R-I-N-G. Sharing. The sixth word is close. C-L-O-S-E. Close. The ing form will be, yes, all of you are right, say loudly. C-L-O-S-I-N-G. Closing. You have to write it neatly in your textbook, children. The ing form of these words ending with letter E. Like, liking. Love, loving. Care, caring. Share, sharing. Taste, tasting. Bite, biting. Dance, dancing. Close, closing. The letter E will be dropped out when ing is formed to that letter, that word. Ready, children? Yes. Now, you have to go to the next page, that is page number 59, exercise C in your textbook. Now here, when ing is added to some doing words, yes, you know doing words, children, I have taught you, action words, okay? Then the last letter is doubled. Double means 2 times. Add ing to the following words and write them. Now children, you can see the examples here. All these words are doing words, action words, okay? But you can see a common thing here. Now for example, J-O-G, jog, okay? So here J-O-G-G-I-N-G, the last letter, that is G, we have to write here 2 times when you are forming this ing, when you are converting this word to ing form. Just you can see one thing here. Which is this letter, children? The second last. This is called the second last letter of this word, right? O. Yes, again. A-E-I-O-U. What are these? Yes, vowels, right? Now here you can see O. O is again vowel here. But after a vowel, a consonant. Now G is a consonant, you know, children, this. So here this G is consonant. So when you are, after that vowel, when you see a consonant letter, then you have to double that letter. Okay? So J-O-G, jog. J-O-G-G-I-N-G, jogging. Okay, children? Now in the same way, I will show you the next word. H-I-T. See, you go to the second last, children. Second last word of this, second last letter of this word, children. Okay? The letter is I. Yes, I is again a vowel, right? And T. T is, what is T, children? It's consonant, right? So, before a consonant, a vowel letter is used. H-I-T, hit. So, when you are adding ing to this word, when you are forming ing word, H-I-T-T-I-N-G. You will double this consonant 2 times, right? You will write this letter 2 times here. hitting. 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 Ready, children? Now let's see here. This also is an example given here. G-E-T, get. Children, just see the second last letter of the word. It's E, right? And E is again a what? Yes, all of you are right. It's a vowel, right? After that T, T is a consonant. So, G-E, when ing is formed to that word, G-E-T-T-I-N-G, getting. Okay? Now here's second word. G-R-I-N, grin. G-R-I-N, grin. So what will you do now here? Yes, second last. Which is the letter here? I. I is again a vowel here. So when you are adding ing to this word, G-R-I, the consonant will be repeated, double N-I-N-G. Grinning. The third one, S-H-O-P, shop. S-H-O-P, shop. Children, the second last again, it's a vowel, right? So, ing, when the ing is added to this word, S-H-O-P-P-I-N-G, shopping. You have to write in a neat and tidy handwriting, children, in your textbook. Yes, now the fourth one, D-R-O-P, drop. Again, see the second last letter of that word, O. O is again vowel. So, ing form is D-R-O, yes, all of you are right, double P-I-N-G, dropping. The fifth, K-N-I-T, knit. Okay? Now, the second last is I. Yes, all of you are right, children. So, the ing form is knitting. K-N-I-T-T-I-N-G. The sixth one, F-I-T, fit. Again, yes, I is again a vowel, right? So, the ing form of this word is F-I-T-T-I-N-G, fitting. Yes, children. Hit, hitting. Grin, grinning. The third one, shop, shopping. The fourth one, drop, dropping. Knit, knitting. Fit, fitting. Yes, children? Now, children, look at these pictures. Okay? So, our next exercise is based on this picture only. Okay? So, now here, see the picture here. It's about the girl. And many pictures are shown of children here. See what they are doing. Okay? Now here, what we are going to do is exercise D. Add is, are or am and the ing form of suitable doing words from the brackets. Fill in the blanks to complete the story. Now this picture shows some story or some actions, okay, done by these children. So now here we have to fill in the blanks and we have to complete the story, children. In the prior exercise, what happened? Only you have added ing to the words. But in this exercise, what we are going to do is, we are going to add is, are or am to those words, okay, those given in the bracket words. Okay, children? Now let's go to the exercise. See here. While reading these sentences, you can even refer to the pictures given above here, children. Okay. So now, we'll start with the exercise. Preeta goes to her hobby class. She can see many children there. Children, you have to concentrate in your textbook and even you have to read this with me, okay? Preeta goes to her hobby class. You can see even the picture there. She can see many children there. Nidhi dash. Now the bracket word is given here. In the bracket, paint is given. You have to add ing form to these words, as well as you have to add here is, are or am to these words to make the sentence complete. Okay, children? So now here, Preeta goes to her hobby class. She can see many children there. Nidhi dash, bracket paint is given. A picture. Nidhi, single person. Okay? So Nidhi, yes. What shall I add? Is, are or am? Yes, I have to add is only, children. Is an ing form of this paint. Yes, you all are right. Painting. Good. So she can see many children there. Nidhi is painting a picture. Is painting. The word is painting there now. Rohan, again a single person, children. Rohan dash a sketch. Now you have to add is, am or are to that word given in the bracket, that is draw, and even you have to add ing to this word. So Rohan, yes, is drawing. D R A W I N G, drawing. Yes, children, you have to be careful here. For some words, that method is okay for that vowels. For example, D-R-A-W. Here W, we can't double this W, okay? Even though A is a vowel here. For some special words, as I taught above, that method is used. Okay, children? So you have to be careful with that. Simi dash to dance. Simi, yes, single person, is learning to dance. Yes, children, ready? Now, Fida and Soma. See children, read again. Fida and Soma, 2 person. Dash, bracket, play. The tabla. Again, as I said you some of the words even we have here, but we can't double the last word, okay. Some of the examples were shown that were shown above, okay. So Fida and Somar are playing the tabla. For some of the selected words, okay. For some of the selected words that vowel method is applicable, children. So you have to be careful regarding that, okay. Mini asks Prita, what are you doing? Prita says, I dash, bracket again write, I dash a story and I like to do that. So children, I means, with I what is used always as I taught you? Yes, all of you are right, I am. Now here children, ending with the letter is, when you have to add ing word to this word, ing form to this word, the last letter is E. Yes, E will be dropped out. I am writing a story and I like to do that. Prita goes to her hobby class. She can see many children there. Nidhi is painting a picture. Rohan is drawing a sketch. Simi is learning to dance. Fida and Soma are playing the tabla. Mini asks Prita, what are you doing? Prita says, I am writing a story and I like to do that. Okay? So the whole story is written here. Just to refer this picture, and then you can come to know, okay, the actions done by these children. Ready children now? You have to write neatly children in your textbook. Yes children, now we'll go to this video.
22 is, of, am, with, in, four of doing words. Read the sentences given below. I am reading a book. You are reading a comic. She is reading a poem. They are reading books. Look at the box given here. It shows the correct use of is, of, am, with in, form of a doing word. I am. We, you, they are sitting in the park. The girl, he, she, Nina, is sitting in the park. In, form of doing words. Read the sentences given below.
See children, now here I'll explain you this again. I am reading a book. ing is used the ing form of the word, okay? And here always with I, what do we use? Am, yes. So I am reading a book.
I am reading a book.
You are reading a comic. Now children, with you, yes, you have to remember this, with you have to use are. So you are reading a comic.
Are reading a comic. She,
yes, one person, she is reading a poem. So is used before this or after this she, because only one person. She is reading a poem.
he is reading a poem.
They, many, okay? They are reading books. They are reading books, okay?
Are reading books. Look at the box given here.
Yes, now look at this box, children. I am sitting in the park. We are sitting in the park. You are sitting in the park. And they are sitting in the park. Now children, here, the girl, only one girl. The girl is sitting in the park. He is sitting in the park. She is sitting in the park. Meena is sitting in the park. So how to use this am, are and is in the sentences? Okay, just to go through this again.
It shows the correct use of is, or, am with in for a doing word. I am. We, you, they are sitting in the park. The girl, he, she, Meena is sitting in the park.
Yes, children. So now we will go through some exercise.
Grab and drop the correct answer from the help box.
Love. Yes, ing form of love. Yes, loving.
Good work.
Very good. Bite, I is dropped out, so biting.
Good work.
Care, again I is dropped out, caring.
Good work.
Dance, yes, I is dropped out, spelling is D-A-N-C-I-N-G, dancing.
Good work.
Sharing,
Good work.
yes, see children, we have now scored the full marks, right? So yes children, today we have completed our lesson number 22, and so you go through the lesson again, read those sentences which I have taught you properly, and even the ing form as I taught you, okay? So now go through the lesson again, read all the sentences. Thank you, bye.